This is a 68-piece heavy-duty tire repair kit. Now, this is incredible. Like, this is everything that you need to repair your tires. So a really handy thing to just have sitting in the back of your car, in your trunk. Yeah, literally, it's got all the things that you need. So we're gonna go through. I'm going to tell you what it has. So it's got two hex keys or Allen keys. It's got gloves, obviously. It's got a retractable cutter knife. It's got 40 repair cords. That is super handy. It's got a T-handle insert. So this here, 4 valve caps. Where are they? The valve caps, in case you lose your extra valve caps. I lose those all the time. Lubricant, which you might need, 4 standard valve cores here, and then 4 screwdriver type valves there. It's got a T-handle spring probe tool there. Oh, sorry, this is the T-handle insert tool. This is the spring probe tool. It's got a tire pressure gauge here. It's got your pliers, your 4-way core tool, and your extension valves. Oh my gosh, so much stuff in here. Literally everything that you will ever need to repair a tire, especially on the go. So a handy little box. This would make a great gift for Father's Day, for Christmas. Yeah, just a really handy thing to have in your car. So I highly recommend getting this thing. And also it comes, like, the travel case is actually not that big. Yeah, so highly recommend it. Go and get yourself one.